Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have a environment I like to show you, and it is of the Grey Havens. I am so excited about this one, and as soon as it was up for pre-order, I automatically had to buy this because I just love this piece and I love environments. So let's get right into it. And as you know, Grey Havens is the place where you see at the end of Return of the King, where Gandalf, Bilbo, Galadriel, Elrond, and all those guys sailed off into Valinor. Because they were done. They had done all that they needed to do in Lord of the Rings there. There we go. So cool. I can't wait. Oh, this box looks beautiful too. Can't wait to show you guys this. This is so awesome. And this is, by the look of it, they're celebrating the 20th anniversary, as it says on here as well. Nice. So let's do this. Let's just prop it up on end real quick. Just want to move this over. Then I'll put it up on end real quick so you can see the box. So cool. There's the ship, as if going off into Valinor. And back to the front. Let's open this now. I'm so excited for this one. There we go. Get it out. And just to see here, oh yeah, I'll show you that in a bit here. Actually, let's just that's the bottom. That's the top. I wanted to show you this real quick. So see, as usual, the boxes have this flap, as this one does too. You can see where the making of this, the sculpting of this with the sculptors and everything, all the read up. So cool. I love when they do this. So cool. Awesome. Okay. And then put this up on here. That's the top. That's the bottom. Nice. And then we're and I just wanted to make sure it was cut all the way around. And that way I just pull this up ever so gently. Nice. And then I don't know where to grab here. Probably there and there. Let's put that there temporarily. Beautiful. And then we will put that on here. Beautiful, guys. Oh, the texture of the water and everything. This is way too cool. I am loving this piece. I am in love with this piece. Oh, all the bridges and all the towers, citadels. All the oh, look at the stairs on this. This is so freaking cool, guys. And then you can, there you can see the ship. That's the back. This is going towards you, guys. From me to you, it's the ship sailing off into Valinor. And then one of these piers is where they were all at before sailing into Valinor. Oh boy, I love this, guys. This is so awesome. So awesome. Make sure there's no floaties or anything there. Yeah, wow. I am wowed with this. This is so freaking cool, guys. I can't wait to show you some close-ups here in just a minute here. I'm just soaking all this in because just the water on this and the bridges and the stairs and the towers, there's a lot going on in this piece. Like, I'm not kidding, there is a lot going on here. And then there's the island with on the side there. Wow. Then I wanted to see as well, I don't know which side is which. Oh. So you can see there, who it's sculpted by. I can't read that because that's backwards for me. I'll look here real quick for myself. I want to know. Sculptor is Charlotte Key, and this is number 458 of 844. Wow. Way to go. I love this, Charlotte. Thank you so much. I am just in love with this environment. Wow. Like, wow. This is just awesome. So I'm going to grab my camera and I'm going to show you some club steps now. I am so in love with this environment. The Grey Havens, known as Mythlond, was an elvish port city located on the Gulf of Lune in the elven realm of Lindon in Middle-earth. The Grey Havens serve as a point of departure for elves who wish to leave the mortal lands behind. This journey is primarily for elves, as they are granted the gift of sailing to the Undying Lands, which is a place of rest and healing. So you can see all the buildings and all the stairs here, all the trees that are all the way around. So cool. This is just awesome. We'll swivel this around as we go here. And you can see on one of these places here, that's where they boarded the ship and to sail to the Undying Lands. And I love this part right here. That bridge right there with all the arches underneath, that is so cool. And then there's another bridge, long bridge. Absolutely love this piece. And then you can see the ship there, which they board. I like this part right here, all the stairs that are going up and down there. That is so cool and just awesome. Love it. Again, more buildings and trees and shrubs and all that kind of stuff. And then you can see this little island in the middle. This is one wicked, awesome environment. Thank you, Charlotte. This is just an absolutely beautiful piece. Just awesome. And look at the water here. You can see we're on the like the shallow with the marl along the edges there, and then deep in the middle, like the deep color in the middle there, to show how deep it is. Look how, and then look how structured the water is there. So cool, so awesome. Bring this island a little bit closer so you can see it. And look at that, that is awesome. Look how detailed all the walkways and everything are. The patterns in them and everything. That is so cool. Just the little details just that they do on this piece. It's just phenomenal. And all the tops of the buildings and all that. As I go along here, you just see it's all the rockery on the outside. Another bridge there. Love it. This is just awesome. There's another bridge there. Love it. So cool. And And then I did get the print for this. So just in the meantime, I'm going to be putting this in my office. And then, because I want to get a stand, and it's going in my bedroom for my Elven room. So cool. Love it. And that is the Grey Havens. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of the Grey Havens. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in another video.